Not all SUVs are equal when it comes to long-term durability. Some stand out for going years without major problems. Today, we're looking at 7 SUVs known for exceptional reliability that owners truly depend on. At number 7. The Honda CR-V is one of the most trusted and reliable SUVs ever made. For years, this SUV has been famous for its durability, smooth performance, and extremely low maintenance costs. Families around the world love the CR-V because it offers comfort, practicality, and long-term dependability all in one package. Its modern design, spacious interior, and excellent fuel efficiency make it perfect for everyday driving as well as long road trips. What makes the CR-V truly special is how consistently reliable it remains, even after years of heavy use. Many owners drive these SUVs for hundreds of thousands of miles with very few major problems. Inside, the cabin feels comfortable and modern, packed with useful technology and advanced safety features. Built with Honda's reputation for quality engineering, the CR-V continues to be one of the smartest SUV choices in the world. Coming in at number 6. The Subaru Forester is an SUV that has built its reputation on reliability, safety, and everyday practicality. Known for its standard all-wheel drive system and strong durability, the Forester performs confidently in almost every type of weather and road condition. Whether it's snow, rain, rough roads, or long highway trips, this SUV is built to handle it all without trouble. What makes the Forester truly popular among families is its dependability over time. Many owners keep these SUVs for years because they continue running smoothly with very few major issues. Inside, the cabin is spacious, comfortable, and packed with modern safety technology that makes daily driving easier and safer. With excellent visibility, solid fuel economy, and a reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles, the Subaru Forester easily stands among the world's most reliable SUVs. Number 5. The Kia Telluride is one of the most impressive family SUVs in the world, offering luxury-level comfort with outstanding reliability. Since its launch, this SUV has become extremely popular because of its bold design, spacious interior, and strong reputation for long-term dependability. What surprises many people is how premium the Telluride feels compared to its price. Inside, the cabin is packed with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and enough space to comfortably fit the entire family. But beyond the comfort and style, the Telluride is also known for smooth performance and low maintenance costs, making it a practical choice for everyday life. Whether it's daily commuting or long-distance travel, this SUV handles everything with confidence and ease. Built with durability and safety in mind, the Kia Telluride has earned its place among the most reliable SUVs in the world. Number 4. The Toyota Land Cruiser is more than just an SUV. It's a global legend, known for its unmatched durability and reliability. Built to survive some of the harshest environments on Earth, the Land Cruiser has earned a reputation for lasting decades with proper maintenance. From deserts and mountains to rough off-road terrain, this SUV is designed to handle conditions that would destroy many other vehicles. What makes the Land Cruiser truly special is its bulletproof engineering and powerful performance, combined with incredible long-term dependability. Inside, the cabin offers a perfect mix of luxury, comfort, and advanced technology, making it suitable for both adventure and everyday driving. Around the world, people trust the Land Cruiser because it rarely lets owners down, even after hundreds of thousands of miles. This SUV is not just reliable, it's one of the toughest vehicles ever made. At number 3. The Lexus RX 350 is one of the most reliable luxury SUVs ever created. While many luxury vehicles become expensive to maintain over time, the RX 350 is famous for combining premium comfort with Toyota-level dependability. Its elegant design, smooth performance, and quiet driving experience make it feel incredibly refined on the road. Inside, the cabin is filled with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and luxury features that create a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. But what truly makes the RX 350 stand out is its long-term reliability. Owners often keep these SUVs for many years because they continue running smoothly with very few major issues. The Lexus RX 350 proves that luxury and reliability can exist together perfectly. Runner-up at number 2. The Honda Pilot is one of the most dependable 3-row SUVs ever built. Designed for families who need space, comfort, and long-term reliability, the Pilot has earned a strong reputation for handling everyday life without major problems. Its spacious interior, smooth ride quality, and practical design make it perfect for road trips, school runs, and daily commuting. What makes the Honda Pilot truly impressive is how reliable it remains even after years of heavy use. Many owners drive these SUVs for hundreds of thousands of miles while spending very little on major repairs. Inside, the cabin offers plenty of passenger space, modern technology, and advanced safety features that make driving easier and more comfortable. Built with Honda's trusted engineering and durability, the Pilot continues to be one of the smartest and most reliable family SUVs in the world. Taking the #1 spot, Toyota RAV4, one of the most reliable SUVs ever created. This SUV has become incredibly popular around the world because of its durability, practicality, and ability to last for years with very few major problems. Whether it's daily commuting, family road trips, or long-distance driving, the RAV4 handles everything with confidence and reliability. What makes this SUV truly special is Toyota's reputation for building vehicles that can survive hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Inside, the cabin is spacious, comfortable, and packed with modern technology and advanced safety features that make everyday driving easier and more enjoyable. The smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs make it a favorite choice for millions of drivers worldwide. The Toyota RAV4 perfectly earns its title as one of the most reliable SUVs on the planet. Reliability is what keeps these SUVs on top. If you enjoyed this list, hit like, subscribe, and join us for more trusted car breakdowns.